Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ruxin knife is probably one of the most essential tools in any kitchen, and keeping your blades razor sharp can be a game changer for both efficiency and safety, transforming mundane food prep into a smooth, enjoyable experience. So today we're diving deep into a system that promises to bring professional level sharpness right to your countertop, making dull knives a thing of the past and elevating your culinary game to new heights. Number 5. Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener 3-Pack Gift Set. Introducing the Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener. It's designed for sportsmen who need a compact and complete sharpening solution for the field, home, or shop. This tool includes diamond plates, ceramic rods, a leather strop, and sharpening guides. The ceramic rod even rotates for coarse and fine honing, and has a groove for sharpening fish hooks. Maintain a sharp edge wherever you go, whether you're hunting, fishing, or camping. It's designed for consistent angles and requires no tools or assembly. With 5 abrasives and a self-contained design, it's easy to customize your sharpening. Keep your tools sharp on the go without any hassle. We stand behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. Each sharpener is meticulously designed and quality checked at our Oregon facility. This sharpener is designed, engineered, and calibrated in Ashland, Oregon. We ensure the highest caliber of manufacturing for our products. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one sharpening solution for outdoor enthusiasts. If you're often in the field, hunting, fishing, or camping, and need a reliable way to maintain your blades, this is for you. Its compact and durable design means it can handle tough conditions. What people say. The guided system makes it super easy to keep consistent angles, which is huge whether you're sharpening knives in the field or at home. It takes the skill barrier down and still gives you really sharp, clean edges. What I really like is how complete the setup is. You've got multiple grits, a strop, and everything you need all in one compact kit. It's perfect for hunting trips, camping, or just keeping in your gear bag. Build quality is excellent. It feels durable and made to last, not something that's going to wear out after a few uses. The case is a nice touch too, it keeps everything organized and easy to carry. Number 4. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Kit. Introducing the Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Kit, designed to sharpen all your pocket and kitchen knives with exceptional ease and control. Achieve perfect results every time. Its angle-guided system and unique clamp make manual sharpening faster, easier, and more precise than ever before. Easily adjust the sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees in single-degree increments. This allows you to reprofile any blade or create a beautifully polished edge, even on serrated knives. Quickly switch between coarse and fine diamond, and fine ceramic stones to customize your sharpening needs. The V-block clamp ensures your knife is held securely and consistently. Meticulously designed and quality checked at our Oregon facility, we stand proudly behind our products. Experience the difference of expertly crafted sharpening tools. We are confident in the quality and durability of our sharpeners. That's why each one comes with a comprehensive 3-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. For those who demand precision and control in their sharpening, this system offers unparalleled accuracy. If you're looking to reprofile blades or achieve a perfectly polished edge with repeatable results, its adjustable angle and secure clamp make it ideal. What people say. It's compact so it stores easy, quick to set up, and has smooth operation. Got all my knives nice and sharp fairly quick. The build quality seems quite good. The sharpener feels sturdy and solid, and I had no issues with it moving around when I didn't want it to. Number 3. Work Sharp 2 Malawian Kwacha's Professional Electric Knife and Tool Sharpener. Introducing the enhanced MK.2, building on the original success. It offers improved capabilities for sharpening every knife and tool you own, making the process faster, easier, and more repeatable than ever before. Its flexible belts conform to any blade's edge, perfect for sharpening a wide range of tools. From outdoor and lawnmower blades to kitchen knives and even scissors, it handles them all with ease. Experience enhanced control and power with the 2-speed motor, ideal for demanding tasks like sharpening axes and garden tools. The integrated edge guide ensures precise sharpening all the way to the tip. We stand behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. Each sharpener is meticulously designed and quality checked at our Oregon facility, ensuring top-notch performance. Proudly designed, engineered, and calibrated in Ashland, Oregon. We ensure the highest caliber of manufacturing, both domestically and globally, for a superior sharpening experience. What we like. This is the fastest and most versatile option for sharpening a wide range of tools and knives. If you need to quickly sharpen everything from kitchen knives to lawnmower blades and axes, its electric power and flexible belts make it incredibly efficient. What people say. It's simple, consistent, and delivers razor-sharp edges fast. The adjustable speed and angle guides make it easy to get professional results without guesswork. The MK2 does a great job at putting the blade exactly where it needs to be to get that perfect burr and then again to get that laser-sharp edge we usually only see on high-dollar knives or knives the first time we use them. It got all my dull knives razor-sharp in minutes, whereas previously it would take hours. This tool now allows me to bring my knife back to life in under 2 minutes, and that's including taking it out of the box and plugging it into the socket. Number 2. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpener. Introducing the Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpener, the ultimate system for all your sharpening needs. It's designed to handle hunting, serrated, and kitchen knives with ease. It comes with 7 different abrasive grits, including diamond, ceramic, and a leather strop. This allows you to customize the sharpening process to perfectly suit your knives or tools. You can easily adjust the sharpening angle anywhere from 15 to 30 degrees. Whether you need to reprofile an old blade or achieve a polished edge, this system offers complete customization, even for serrated knives. Indexing between grits on the sharpening stones is quick and simple. You can also swap out rods without interrupting your sharpening workflow, making the process efficient. This sharpener is meticulously designed, engineered, and calibrated in our Oregon facility. We ensure the highest quality by standing behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. What we like. This system offers the most comprehensive sharpening experience for those who want complete control over their blade's edge. If you enjoy fine-tuning your knives for specific tasks or want a truly custom, polished finish with multiple grit options, this is the sharpener for you. What people say. Received and within 5 minutes of opening, I started on my first knife. By the time I put the knife to the strop, I was shaving with it, literally. The system is really straightforward if you follow the directions and take your time. The diamond plates and ceramic finishing stone are well capable of achieving a hair-popping edge on your pocket knives and smaller kitchen knives. Number 1. The Original Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener. Introducing the Original Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener, the ultimate tool for effortless knife sharpening. Keep your blades cutting like new for longer with this easy-to-use system. Experience unparalleled sharpness thanks to its diamond-plated sharpening disc. This powerful tool effortlessly restores your knife's edge, making it sharp in minutes. A unique stainless steel disc refines the edge after sharpening, creating a finer, more precise cut. This makes all your kitchen tasks significantly easier. This sharpening kit is surprisingly functional and incredibly simple to use. Just choose your angle, secure your blade, and roll the disc back and forth. Easily sharpen both traditional and specialty blades at precise 15 degrees or 20 degrees angles. Powerful magnets ensure uniform angles for a consistently sharp edge. Looking for the perfect gift? This sharpener is ideal for any occasion, especially Father's Day. Give the gift of effortless sharpness. What we like. This is the easiest way to achieve a factory sharp edge on your knives without complex setups. If you're looking for a simple, effective tool that delivers consistent sharpness for kitchen, outdoor, or utility knives, its rolling action and diamond discs are perfect. What people say. The magnetic block holds the knife secure and there is one side for broader knives and another for those with narrow points. It will sharpen knives, scissors, basically anything with a flat blade. It is incredibly versatile. The use of diamond-coated discs is a standout feature. The D35 grit size is ideal for removing the dull first layer of the knife's edge, bringing back that much-needed sharpness. Offering both 15 and 20 degree angle sharpening caters to a wide range of knives, from traditional to specialty blades. The strong magnets ensure consistent angles, which is essential for even sharpening across the entire blade. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.